Hello friends! Now I am going to unboxing some merchandise that I buy in Yogykarta, which is the Jupiter Aerobatic team. It started when I went to Jogja Aerospace Museum, and I found a store near in the museum, which is the Adisucipto Merchandise Center. And this is the store looks like. And after that, I went back home from a flight from Yogyakarta to Pekanbaru. So I want to unboxing it. And here it is. So yeah, this is an official merchandise from the Indonesian Air Force. I want to unbox it now. So let's go start to the first merchandise. So the first thing in here, we got the rubber wristband. So now let's unbox it. And as you can see here, there is an Indonesian Air Force logo. And we get also the Jupiter's aerobatic team logo. And the symbols of the aerobatic plane. Now I'm wearing it and it's fitted into my hand. Wow, this thing looks cool. The second merchandise is the lanyard ID card of the Jupiter's aerobatic team logo. Now let's open it. Okay, here it is. And this is how it looks. So with the Air Force logo, the Jupiter aerobatic team logo, and it also has the drawing of the aerobatic plane, the Korean Aerospace KT-1 Wong-B. You can put your ID card in this lanyard by pulling this button, put your ID card, and unpull the button. The third merchandise is the stickers. It has the Jupiter's aerobatic logo in it. Let's unbox it. This is the stickers. Looks cool, right? You can put these stickers on the wall, table, and others. The fourth merchandise is the key tag. It has a Jupiter aerobatic team logo on it. And in this key tag, there is a picture of the Korean Aerospace, the KT-1 Wong-B. This is the plane type that is used by the Jupiter aerobatic team. Now let's unbox it. This is the look of the key tag, and you can actually put this key tag on your back. The fifth merchandise is the Jupiter aerobatic team logo keychain. And here you can see the Indonesian Air Force logo, and here's the logo of the Jupiter aerobatic team in a keychain. Let's unbox it. And this is the Jupiter aerobatic team logo as a keychain. It has the plane symbols, an eagle, Indonesian flag, and many other more. You can put this keychain in your bag. Now to the sixth merchandise, which is with a white box with a Jupiter writing in there. I'm curious, what is this? Now let's open the box. We pulled on the top. And wow, it's a plane model. It looks interesting though. Let's pull this model up. And put this thing down. This is the bottom of the plane model. Looks cool, right? And here it is. This is the Korean Aerospace KT-1 Wong-B, operated by Jupiter aerobatic team. This plane type is the Korean Aerospace KT-1 Wong-B. It made its first flight in 1991. It used the Pratt & Whitney Canada PT6 engines. The body long is 10.2 meters, while the wing height is 10.6 meters. This plane also operated by Jupiter Aerobatic Team in 2008. It changed from the previous plane from Jupiter Aerobatic Team, the Mk-53 MS Hawk that operated from 1997 until 2002. If we touch the propeller part, the propeller will be rotating. This is the special tail livery of Jupiter Aerobatic Team. It only used during aerobatic program. Well, this is the Indonesian Air Force logo. And we are move on to the front side. This is the front body of the plane model. In the bottom of the body, you will see the Jupiter's Aerobatic Team logo, but this logo only appears during the aerobatic program. This plane number is 06, which means this plane registration is 550106. And this is the eagle symbol on the plane. Alright friends, it's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you, and have a nice day.